Hey everyone, Chase at IPORT. Today I wanted to talk with you about installing the PoE Network Adapter into a WallStation. This is the 72101. Out of the box, the WallStation ships with a power supply to plug into a wall or to two-wire connection. You can upgrade the WallStation to the PoE Network Adapter as a separate purchase. Let's jump into how we install that. To get started installing the network adapter into the back of the WallStation, you're going to want to remove the existing DC electric board that's on the WallStation to begin with. To do that, simply reach your fingers underneath, lift the board up. It does make a little bit of a cracking noise, but that's okay. The plastic's still intact. And then separate the Molex connection cable from the DC board and you can discard this. Next, you're going to take your PoE network adapter. Using that same cable that you just unplugged, plug that into the Molex connection on the PoE network adapter, ensuring that the gold pins are facing up. You see at the opposite side, you want to make sure that you can see the gold pins when installing into the network adapter. Install that in, make sure it's secure in there. Then you're going to place the PoE network adapter back into the location. It is keyed, so there's one direction to do it, so if it's not fitting, simply twist it around, then you'll find where it actually mounts into. Once that's completed, now you can move on with the regular installation process of the WallStation. Refer to the manual for how to wire this back to your PoE switch and to install the mounting anchors and to finalize the installation process. For more information, make sure to visit us at iport.io. Thanks.